Today is Tuesday and I guess there's 100% chance video can auto spawn again. And that could be 11 days streak. So kung mag-spawn na yung video kay auto, it's either the 11 days streak to continue to break the world record or they don't want to break that world record for the longest. Another 8 to 9 left to go. Maintenance. Pag Friday yun, tamo na naman longest video kimauton mo. Tumatambay sa tansing ko pa. Cute. Oh, wow. Dude, why do I keep saying every bye sentence? 11 days streak yan na o David. Kahit kung 11 days streak, tomorrow is only the time na makabreak ang new record kan JB the Singing Hunter. Tomorrow, 12 days streak. I'm done. Oh, how about this? 11 days streak, sige God. Pero kung buwas, break na new record for 11 days streak. Maka 12 days buwas. I'm going to kill JB the Singing Hunter once and for all. Pero kung dewe, tagi 11 days or 12 days is over. So, still 11 days. That's the same one as last year. So, if you're going to do this on JB, if you're going to summon all video Kimauton singers, then break the world record for you. I will leave this place until you're going to break the All-Star K40 day world record. Ha. Ayun naman, Jabe, are the Singing Hunter. And you are summoning all video Kimauton singers. Look, makauwan. Tapos ma-video Kimauton. Possible na mag-uwan. Tapos possible na ma-video Kimauton. Like 100% chance. Yes. So what is it going to be? JB the Singing Hunter makabreak ka new record of 11 days streak? O mauwan, kusog, masamon. Sige go, sabon, today, tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. O mabig ka new record for the longest video Kimauton rally. Like days sa streak, 43 days from my All-Star K. Tapos ikaw naman para sunod-sunod ay abatin eh. December. Abutin ni December. Done.